Automation today goes beyond mechanics. It's about data, connectivity, and real-time insight. MAP-202-IoT, Mechatronics plus IoT for Industry 4.0 training. Through an IoT architecture based on OPC-UA, users can monitor and manage the system from a computer using a Node-RED application. Track the activity of each pneumatic actuator and apply preventive maintenance strategies. Or simulate fault scenarios with the optional troubleshooting box. Using augmented reality, users can visualize live machine data and system variables in real time directly on the equipment. This system is a compact solution for training in mechatronics, real-world production, PLC programming, maintenance, and industrial digitalization. MAP-202-IoT, bringing IoT connectivity into your training environment.